Alright, let's get real about MODDEDZONE PS5 controllers. Is this company a scam or just misunderstood? After digging through hundreds of reviews and trying one out myself, here's what you need to know. No sugarcoating. First off, MODDEDZONE has been around for more than 12 years, and they've shipped over 300,000 controllers. So, no, they're not a fly-by-night scam that takes your money and ghosts you. Most people do get their orders, and honestly, the customization options are insane. If you're into looks, you can pick wild shells, flashy buttons, even swap out thumbsticks. But it's not just about aesthetics. The MZ Titan chip packs features like rapid fire, auto recoil, and drop shot macros you can control from your phone. Plus, shipping is usually quick. A lot of folks on Trustpilot mentioned their controller showed up fast and ordering was smooth. But now, let's talk about the issues. The biggest complaint? Stick drift. Some users noticed it popping up just a few months in. And if you need help, buckle up. Customer service is not great. Tons of people on Reddit and the BBB say support is slow to respond or doesn't respond at all. Their warranty is only 90 days. And there are stories about MODDEDZONE dragging out the process until it expires. And, yeah, the price. You're looking at $400, sometimes more, for a fully loaded controller. That's more than the official DualSense Edge and way more than building your own. So, bottom line, if you want a totally custom controller and don't want to mess with mods yourself, MODDEDZONE delivers. Just be ready for a premium price and possible headaches if something goes wrong. If you want bulletproof reliability or top-notch support, you might want to pass. Would you risk it? Let me know your thoughts below.